Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Etsy seller account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.etsy.com and press enter. On the Etsy homepage, look for the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click the sign up button. You will have the option to sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook account. Choose the method that suits you best, and provide the required information. If you're using email, enter your email address and create a strong password. After entering your details, click the Register button. Once registered, you will be directed to your account page. Next, find the Sell on Etsy link, usually located at the top of the page. Click on the Sell on Etsy link to begin setting up your seller account. You'll be guided through a series of steps for setting up your shop. Start by choosing your shop preferences, including your language, country, and currency. After that, click Save and Continue. Now, enter your shop name, keeping in mind it should reflect your brand. Click Check Availability to ensure your chosen name is available. Once confirmed, click Save and Continue. Next, you'll need to set up your listings by clicking on Add a Listing. Upload high-quality photos of your product and provide detailed descriptions. Specify your pricing and inventory details, as well as processing times for shipping. Once your listing is complete, click Publish. After publishing your first listing, you will need to set up payment options. Choose the payment methods you want to accept. Fill in your bank details for direct deposit or select PayPal if preferred. Complete any additional information required for the setup. Now, set your shipping options by entering your shipping fees and regions. Review your information to ensure everything is accurate. Once everything is set, click Save and Continue. Finally, you will be directed to your shop dashboard to manage your listings and orders. Congratulations, you are now ready to start selling on Etsy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.